Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will to learn how to design simple part like this. We want to convert from drawing to solid part. Okay, just start it. Open the SolidWorks. In here, we want to start from top plane. So, right click on top plane and click sketch. In here, we use the millimeter unit. Then, start to draw. First, you want to make a circle like this. The first circle in here have diameter, in here have radius, in here same radius, so in here have radius 18, in here automatically 18 too, radius 18, so the diameter is 36 millimeter like this. Then you want to make hole. In here the hole have diameter 12, just input 12 millimeter like this. After that, we want to make a center line like this. We can see the total line is 48, so set the dimension the center line is 48 millimeter like this, and start draw line from this to this like this. Ensure this line and this circle to make tangent. Then we can to mirror entities. This line mirror about. We can select this center line like this. Just click OK. It is so simple like this. Then we want to make a solid part to convert. Have a thickness 15 millimeter. Go to feature and extrude boss. Select contour this and this like this. Then in here direction is blind. Have thickness 15 millimeter. Direction is blind. Just click OK like this. So this face, right click again on the top face. In here right click and click sketch. We can see in here have a cut like this. So make circle again, draw like this. Set the diameter of circle in here. Diameter is 24. Just input 24 millimeter. Then go to feature and extrude cut. We can see in here the depth is 3 millimeter. Direction is plane, but in here the depth is 3 millimeter. Just click OK. It's so simple. We can see again in here have a cut again. The width is 15 and the height is 6. So we can click this face. We can rotate like this. Click this face and click sketch in here. And select corner rectangle like this. Draw from this. Ensure the center in here and this point. Click make vertical like this. Then set the dimension of we can do trim entities. Yes. Click corner rectangle again and ensure the center this point and this point and this center of part to make vertical like this. Then set the dimension in here. The width of the cut is 15 millimeter, so just input 15 millimeter, and the height is 6 millimeter. The height of cut 6 millimeter like this. Then directly to go to feature and click extrude cut. For direction we can select through all like this. Just click OK and done. It's so simple. Make like this. So don't forget we want to sketch like this. This sketch this face again. Click this face again. Right click and click sketch like this. Then make circle like this. Draw. Ensure center of circle and this center of part to make vertical like this. Then set the dimension half radius 18, so the diameter is 36. Don't forget distance center of the circle, and the bottom face is 45 millimeter. 45 millimeter. Okay. Then make center line like this. Draw to this point. Click line. Okay. Ensure this and this circle to make tangent, and we can to mirror entities. This line mirror about, we can select this center line and click OK. Draw line again in here to here. Okay, like this. Draw this line until this line. It's simple. After that, we can see in here is 12 millimeter, but in here we want to make this line again. So we can see in here half radius 12, in here radius 18, so we can offset entities. Offset entities like this. 18 minus 12 is 6, so in here offset is 6 millimeter. Click this circle. Sorry, can delete again that first. Click trim entities, erase in here first, and we can select offset entities. The parameter of the offset is 6 millimeter. Offset distance, because 18 minus 12 is 6. Click this line like this and click reverse to inside. Just click OK like this, and we can draw again center line like this and this. We can see in here this center to this center, the center line have a distance 12 millimeter, so the half of 12 millimeter is 6 millimeter like this. Because you want to make this line like this, same like this, so we just do half of 12 is 6. Then we can to mirror entities. Mirror entities is click this line or the arc, and mirror about, click this center line. Just click OK, and we can check in here this point and this point have a distance 12 millimeter, appropriate like this. Then we can to trim entities again, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Then we can to draw line to this, and draw again line in here to this line. Ensure this line is make vertical like this, and we can do set distance in here. In here, a half of 18 is 9. So in here is 9 millimeter, because we just distance or half of sketch like this. In here is 12 millimeter. Sorry. We can check in here. This line and this line is 12 millimeter, appropriate in here, like this, 12 millimeter. So mirror entities, clear selection, this line and this line, mirror about, we can select this center line. Just click OK. Like this. It's simple. We can to rotate like this. Go to feature to export to solid part. Okay, like this. The direction we can to reverse in here. Reverse direction to inside the blend, and click a blend. Then we can to extrude both in here. Select contour first. Select this sketch and this sketch. The total is 27. So just input 27 millimeter. Just click OK, and we can see again sketch 4. Click extrude both again and reverse direction. The blend. Click this sketch. We can see in here is the distance is 6. So 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 millimeter. just click OK. And see again sketch 4 and extrude boss. Reverse direction to here. Click the sketch. In here they have total length or thickness is 18. So in here you can change in 18 millimeter. Just click OK. Okay, so simple. After that we can to change the color, select all the feature. Maybe the color is like this, purple, and click OK, and click again. Click face, color, white, we can change in white, like this, and this. Just click OK, and done. We just to make simple part appropriate this drawing like this. Okay, I hope this help you to beginner to exercise SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.